to smash the perfect smash burger patty. Ensure your grill is clean, hot and dry. This will maximize the patty adhesion to the grill, which is super important for that coveted crust. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Avoid using any water, oil or butter. This will prevent your patty from sticking to the grill and crust. Choose your weapon. Spatulas and pots work to flatten and smash your patty too. Place your ball beef onto your grill, lightly press to make sure it has stuff. Stainless steel, cast iron, and chrome surfaces work best. Sticky, sticky. Season generously with a 70/30 salt and pepper. Beef loves salt and pepper. Smash to your preferred thickness. Tip, keep your smasher moving by sliding it over the patty to prevent it sticking. This, smashing the patty presses the juices out. Note minimal juices lost. Maximum flavor gain. Use a sharp metal spatula to release your smashed patty off the grill. Tip, a 45-degree angle works best. Make sure you don't leave behind any of the crust you just worked hard to achieve. Add your cheese. We use American cheddar. Once your cheese has melted, your patty has finished cooking. Finish your burger and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Thanks for smashing with us.